Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion or feedback, you can contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 7 social science history chapter 5 rulers and buildings. So let's solve textbook exercise. In that the first question is, how is the Trebiat principle of architecture different from the Arcuate? The Trebiat principle of architecture is different from the Arcuate. In the Trebiat principle of architecture, roof, doors and windows were made by placing a horizontal beam across two vertical columns. But in the Arcuate principle of architecture, the weight of the superstructure above the doors and windows was carried by the arches. What is a shikhra? The highest roof of the Hindu temple is called a shikhra. The Raja Rajeshwara temple at Thanjavur had the tallest shikhra among the temples of its time. Constructing it was not easy because there were no cranes in those days and the 90-ton stones from the top to the shikhra was too heavy to lift manually. What is the Paitar Dura? The Paitar Dura is the colored hard stones placed in depressions carved into marble or sandstone, creating beautiful and ornate patterns. Behind the Emperor Shah Jahan's throne were a series of Paitara Dura inlays that described the legendary Greek old orphanage playing the lute. It was believed that Orpheus' music could calm ferocious beasts until they coexisted with humans peacefully. What are the elements of a Mughal Chahar Bagh garden? Char Bagh gardens were gardens placed within rectangular walled enclosures and divided into four quarters by artificial channels. These gardens were called Charbagh, that is four gardens, because of their symmetrical division into quarters. The Charbagh gardens also had a variation that historians described as the riverfront garden. This dwelling was not located in the middle of the Charbagh but at its edge, close to the bank of the river. How did a temple communicate the importance of a king? Temples were constructed as places of worship and are meant to demonstrate the power, wealth, and devotions of the patron. The temples were miniature models of the world ruled by the king and his allies. For example, the Raja Rajeshwara temple was built by the king Raja Deva from the worship of his god Raja Rajeshwaram. Generally, the names of the ruler and the gods were very similar. The king took the god's name because it was auspicious and he wanted to appear like a god. Through this ritual, the rituals of worship in the temple, one god, Raja Raja Deva, honored another Raja Rajeshwaram. And inscriptions in Shahjahan's Diwan-e-Khas in Delhi stated, if there is a paradise on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. How was this image created? During Shahjahan's design, the different elements of Mughal architecture were fused together in a grand, harmonious synthesis. His design witnessed a huge amount of construction activity, especially in Agra and Delhi. The ceremonial halls of the public and private audience, Diwan-e-Khas and Diwan-e-Aam, were carefully planned. These courts were placed within a large courtyard and were described as Chilihil Sutun or 40 pillared walls. The audience halls were specially constructed to reassemble a mosque, and the pedestal on which Shahjahan's throne was placed was frequently described as the Qibla. The idea of the king as the representative of God on earth was suggested by these architectural features. How did the Mughal court suggest that everyone, the rich and the poor, the powerful and the weak, received justice equally from the emperor? The Mughal court suggests that everyone, the rich and the poor, the powerful and the weak, received justice equally from the emperor in the following days. The connection between the royal justice and the imperial court was emphasized by Shahjahan in his newly constructed court inside the Red Fort in Delhi. Beside the Emperor Shahjahan's throne was a series of Petia Dura inlays that despite the legendary Greek old Orpheus playing the lute. It was believed that Orpheus' music could calm ferocious beasts until they coexisted together peaceably. The construction of Shahjahan's audience hall aimed to communicate that the king's justice will treat the high and the low as equals, creating a world where all could live together in harmony. What role did the Yamuna play in the layout of the new Mughal city at Shahjahanabad? The river Yamuna played a major role in the layout of the new Mughal city at Shahjahanabad. Shahjahan adopted the riverfront garden in the layout of the Taj Mahal, the grandest architectural accomplishment of his design, where the white marble mausoleum was placed on a terrace by the edge of the river and the garden was to its south. Shahjahan developed his architecture from as a means to control the access that nobles had to the river. Only the exceptionally favored nobles, like his eldest son, Dadar Shukha, were given access to the river. All others had to construct their homes in the city away from the river Yamuna. This was chapter 5 of NCERT solution of class 7 social science. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.